Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Copilotly, a browser extension that gives you access to 50+ AI copilots that help you write, summarize, and paraphrase web content. What is Copilotly? Copilotly is a powerful AI writing tool that can help you with a variety of writing tasks, including writing blog posts, creating social media content, generating email copy, summarizing articles, paraphrasing text. How does Copilotly work? Copilotly uses artificial intelligence to analyze your writing and provide you with suggestions for improvement. You can then use these suggestions to make your writing more clear, concise, and engaging. What are the benefits of using Copilotly? Copilotly can help you save time and improve the quality of your writing. Here are some of the benefits of using Copilotly. Increased productivity. Copilotly can help you write faster and more efficiently. Improved quality. Copilotly can help you write more clear, concise, and engaging content. Increased creativity. Copilotly can help you generate new ideas and come up with creative content. Reduced stress. Copilotly can help you take the stress out of writing and focus on your ideas. How much does Copilotly cost? Copilotly is currently offering a lifetime deal for $49. This is a great opportunity to get access to this powerful AI writing tool for a fraction of the regular price. Where can I get Copilotly? You can get Copilotly on the AppSumo website. Click the link in the description below to get started. Conclusion: Copilotly is a powerful AI writing tool that can help you save time and improve the quality of your writing. If you're looking for a way to boost your productivity and creativity, then I highly recommend checking out Copilotly. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.